Hey everyone, welcome. I'm really excited to be making a couple paper airplanes with you guys today. I wish I was on the playground making them with you guys, but I thought this was the next best thing for us to make them here in my home and in your home. So I hope you guys enjoy. If you made paper airplanes with me before, you're gonna know these two. The first one we're gonna make is the classic glider, sometimes known as Space Frog. The second one we're going to make is the one Jackson showed me in the 7th grade, so shout out to Jackson. Thanks, Jackson. And so, yeah, this is it here. This is the second one we're going to make. I really love both these paper airplanes because they show really good fundamentals. So if you forgot how to make these two paper airplanes or you want to learn, these are great paper airplanes to start with because they fly really well and you can make a ton of paper airplanes just by following these steps and changing them a little bit. So I'm excited to show you guys these. So yeah, let's get into it. All right, guys, so here we are. I'm gonna color it here real quickly. Just, have fun with coloring it. You can do a pattern like I did this time, or just color in any design you want, or, just scribble and have fun. So just enjoy it. So let's color one side for us. All right, now that it's colored, you want to flip it over. So you want one side colored and you want that to go on the back. And then you're going to start off by folding the corner all the way over the edge. Measure once, or measure twice and press once. It's really important, just like when we're cutting wood. Once you press that paper, it needs to be perfectly measured. Then we're going to turn it over and unfold it and fold it the other way. So take the other corner and fold it to the edge. And when we do this, and we make sure it's nice and lined up, it should make a nice X right in the center paper. Then we're gonna flip it all the way over and we're gonna do, it's called a mountain fold. We're gonna fold the paper right to both of those marks made for us earlier, and it should be right in the center of our X where we fold it on the other direction. So then we unfold it, flip it back over, and you can see that it's made a mountain fold for us right in the middle, and you push on it so you can bend it in kind of like an accordion there. Then you fold it in, kind of push the corners to the side and push down. Maybe watch that step for a couple times. That's called a water balloon fold in origami. It's an awesome fold. You should learn how to do it. Then you're going to take one corner and fold it up to the center. You're going to hold to the other side, press nice and firm, and fold that corner up. Every time I measure before I press. I measure it, then I press. And then I press again and again because it's nice to make your folds nice and clean. So then I take the corner again and I fold it to the center line. And then I measure, then I press. And I do the same thing the other direction. I fold it up, and then I press. Now here's one of the fun folds that you're gonna do in this, is that you take that whole triangle on top and you fold it over. And what this does is it allows us to push in our paper into that triangle. So I make a little hole right there, and I take the corner of that paper and I push it into the triangle. And I do the same thing on the other edge. I make a little hole in the triangle, I take the corner and I put it in. And this locks our paper in and it makes that awesome paper airplane that glides so well. So now our glider is almost finished. We just got to do the wings. So on these ones, it got unique wings. You take the edge and you fold it to the center and you do the same thing to the other side. Oh, well, I actually did it both steps here. So you fold it in and then back out on half. And then you do the same thing to the other side. You fold it in and then back out. And you do anything you do to one side, you want to make sure you do it symmetrical to the other side. So there you have it. That's the glider. All right, guys, we're going to get started here on our second plane now. So that was our first plane, the glider. And now plane number 2. This is the one that Jackson showed me long ago. So again, I'm going to start off by coloring it. This time I think I'm just going to scribble around and have fun with it. I'm not going to worry about doing anything uniform. Do some orange and some blue. I'm going to, just have fun and color in some yellow. And just make my plane look cool and, just do any design I want to do. All right, now that it's colored, I'm going to flip the paper over because you want the color to be on the back. And you're going to start off by doing a hot dog fold. This is more of a traditional paper airplane. It's going to be a lot more similar folds that you're used to seeing. So you fold it hot dog style, then you open it back up. You take the top corner and you fold it to our center line. And again, whatever we do to one side, we always want to do to the other side. That's how paper airplanes fly so well. Exact same, make them as close as you can to be the same. Now this is the little trick on this plane that I love so much. You fold the whole big triangle all the way down and you line up that top point to the center line and then you press firmly. As you can see, my center line was a little bit off, and that's going to make my whole plane be a little bit off, but that's okay. Just keep going and have fun. So now you're going to take the corner and you're going to fold it to the center line of the triangle, and you're going to do the other side to that exact same spot. So I'm going to grab that corner and I'm going to fold it to the center line, and you can see I'm lining up those 2 points. Once that's finished, you can take that triangle, and so this is another one where you take that triangle and you fold it up. This kind of locks in our paper airplane. It makes for a really nice paper airplane. You can see I crinkled the paper a little bit, but that's okay, you know, it's a little mess ups, but paper airplanes are never perfect. They're always different. They're always unique. Okay, so now we're going to do the wings. You're going to fold it in half on itself. Then you're going to take it and fold it down. You're going to try to fold to that point to be half of the top there. That's going to make it nice and symmetric for you when you go to do the other wing. So I'm going to flip it over. I'm going to do the other wing. I'm going to line it up to that halfway part. Make sure it's nice and lined up, and then I'm going to press firmly. Press really, really hard here and make sure that your wings are really firm before you reopen. Okay, so we're almost finished. These are stabilizers. You can see my plane was a little uneven, but you know, again, that's all right. So I'm going to put the stabilizers on. So you're going to fold one wing up a little bit, and then the other side you just want to try to do as close as you can to the other one. So you can see I'm trying to measure there, and then I'm folding it up. And there you guys go. Those are our 2 planes. So I hope you guys enjoyed. I really love both these planes. They're gliders. They fly really well, but you throw them up in the air nice and soft and see what path they take. You never know where the glider is going to go. All right, guys, enjoy.